What?
Oh.
Be careful. I don't know where we ending up at, y'all.
I know where he is. Yeah, her phone's like the way back. He explored. I can still see the barn. I can still see the sun. Ow! I wish I wore my tennis shoes.
Girl, don't do that, mess. Shoot, I'm about to run. my skin got all prickly.
What, you vlogging this or something?
No, I'm just taking pictures. Video.
Ma, you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up? Man, y'all crazy.
We ain't going too far.
I don't even want this touching me.
This is
Oh, Auntie, stop playing, Auntie. Look what you got me doing.
that what you get.
Right here. No, I heard a big old bug say, ooh. Hold on, touch me.
Oh, please.
I don't know what these, they might look good.
We got a trail.
I told you.
I'm not, there's no way I'm going that way. I'm not going that way. I'm not going that way.
I ain't. This time to turn around because I don't know where we at. I don't want to end up in somebody else's yard.
They get this shotgun. Get off my property.
Right. Come on back.
Going.
What is this?
This not Bridge to Terry Biscuit. We're trying to go. I'm trying to dip.
Those are grapes.
No.
Them grapes.
Them
There's
apples.
tomatoes.
Them peaches,
Go ahead,
ain't
put
it?
them in your mouth. Go ahead, try one.
What's that?
What's that? Look, what's that?
These nuts. That's what that is.
These biscuits.
What's that?
Why you holding the camera like that?
Because I can't eat
Let me see it.
Oh, here they go.
What? What are those? They look
Uh-uh.
furry.
Up, back.
Are they strawberries? Man. I know where we at. Wish we could go farther.
We ain't got tennis shoes on.
Dang.
It look like it's gonna rain. We didn't see it. Huh? A lot of trees out here. Let me see you.
Welcome to my forest. We're gonna go further next time.
I know you want to come out here all the time then on it.
Yeah, but I ain't got the right I ain't got the right shoes on, the right clothes on. I need a jacket. See, Mom, let me show you a tour. I want her to go another way. Maya!
They went in the house.
Maya!
They went in the house.
I'll go bring them out. Get ready. Please, Mom.
No, I told you I ain't got no tennis shoes on.
Don't worry, we ain't gonna be going far.
Yeah, but we don't know what's back there. We need tennis shoes on.
This is my favorite. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go explore the corn.
Where you going?
I'm just exploring the cornfield.
I'm gonna be nosy.